Is Foundry VTT beginner friendly? Well, I'm sorry and forgive me, but it's not that simple of a question to answer. So let me explain. Foundry is a very powerful virtual tabletop that enables you as the game master to run whatever kind of game session you want. You want to run Theater of Mind? Easy. You want to create super intricate battle maps that are multi-layered and huge? Not even sweating. You want to run 3D adventures and refuse to use some of the other VTTs out there that are literally designed for that? Yeah, sure, go for it. But that's not all, because the immersion, customization, and automation possibilities are truly endless. This is because while other VTTs keep things nice and simple and make sure that all the tools are easy to learn and master, Foundry gives you all of those tools and so much more. So take the lighting tool for example. You can use it to set up some basic lighting for a map, sure, but you can even have it play an animation which you can change and customize, or set the coloration technique for the light source, and yeah, that's a thing, or invert the tool and make the light source a darkness source, or even fine-tune its attenuation, saturation, and all that kind of stuff. So basically each feature and tool that Foundry offers is kind of like an iceberg. On the surface it may seem super simple and easy to learn, but if you want to master it, it will take way more time than other VTTs. So if you stay at the surface level of Foundry and ignore all the complicated stuff, then yeah, Foundry is really easy to learn, but if you decide to delve deeper, then the learning curve will get steeper and steeper. So I hope by this point you can kind of see why I can't really give a direct answer to the question, is Foundry beginner friendly? Because yes, it is, but at the same time, no, it's not. Because Foundry's style is kind of throwing everything at you right out the gate as soon as you buy the VTT, and then letting you sift through all the tools and features and choose what you like and what you don't like. But for the player side of things, the question becomes a lot easier, because for you players out there who can just show up to your game sessions with zero prep, then yes, Foundry is very beginner friendly, and you can probably learn how to use the VTT in 10 minutes flat. I mean, sure, there is a little bit of a learning curve because you have to learn where your character sheet is at and how to roll dice, which can be so much work and effort, but every VTT has that issue. So now you know how to answer the question,